How to create Canva design navigation bar. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about two methods that you can use as per your requirement. So well, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me take one design. Okay, come to the website, take the any website templates. So this is my website page. So let me take any design from here. Okay, just take this one. I need to add pages. Okay, I will add few pages here. Okay, so you can see we have now 4 pages. So in first method we can use the default navigation bar in Canva, which is we need to follow the process. First we need to this. Okay, we need to use this grid view. Just click on it. Now you can see the all your page. This is your view, page view. So in first view page, this is our home page. So just go to this tiny edit options, pencil option, and name the home. In second page, go again here and give the page name or product details, page details name, like product. It is our client. This is what we do. Okay, let me give the review short name. Okay, so we have product or client and review and the home page. Now disable this grid view. Okay, now by default a navigation bar of Canva, we need to publish this website. So go to the preview first and make sure this is include navigation bar. Just click on it and you can see at mobile view and desktop view. So this is our navigation bar just we created. Home, product, our client, and review. Okay, this is navigation bar we can create. Now you can publish from here. Okay, if you want to get preview, you can get preview from here, and if you want to publish, you can publish from here. Okay, but before publish, if you click on publish, make sure go to the setting and make sure this navigation menu is enabled, and then publish. Okay, so this is our page and this is our home site. Now we are going to talk about the second method. In second method we need to disable this include navigation bar first, close it. Now come to the home page, first page, and copy any text box, like teeny text box or small text box, and paste here. Just take anywhere where you want to add the menu bar or navigation bar. Like first is product. Okay, if you want to take home, you can home it, name home, first home page, then copy again, paste here, and rename it like product, and third one is our client. Okay, now just select that any text box, home. For home we need to use the only home, first page. Just click on it. Just go to the product, go to the 3-dot option, go to the link. Okay, so we have text and elements, so we need to ungroup first. Okay, if you have elements in your text box, then first ungroup it, then select the text only. Go to the 3-dot option, go to the link, or right click on it, go to the link. Okay, for product we need to select that product page and just done. Okay, now this has been linked. Now select the second text box or menu, go to the 3-dot option, go to the link, and select that related page, which is our client. Done it. Now let me show in preview. You can see if I click on product, it will be take me the product slide. Okay, and if I click on this our client, it will be taking me the our client page. Okay, So that is the two method we can use. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.